Foundation repair can take way longer than you expect, so knowing the timeline up front is clutch for keeping your life on track and avoiding total chaos. Alright, here's the deal. When you're figuring out how long your foundation repair will take, you want to get super clear dates from your contractor, like the exact start day and when they plan to wrap up. Don't just settle for vague answers like a couple of weeks, because that can mean anything. It's also smart to ask if any weather issues or unexpected problems might throw off the schedule. While the work's going on, make sure you have a backup plan for where you'll be or how you'll manage your day if parts of your home become off-limits. Keep in mind that bigger problems, like sinking or cracked foundations, usually need more time and a more detailed fix, so budget extra days. Also, check if the crew will be working every day or just a few days a week, since that impacts timing. Finally, always ask about inspections and permits, because waiting for those can add days or even weeks to your project. One of the biggest mistakes people make with foundation repair timelines is not getting a detailed schedule up front. Without it, you're guessing and stressing. Fix that by demanding a clear start-to-finish plan from your contractor before signing anything. Another common issue is underestimating how weather can slow things down. Heavy rain or freezing temps can totally stall work, so build some buffer time into your plans. Lastly, people often forget about post-repair inspections and paperwork that can hold up final approval, so ask your contractor how long those usually take and factor that in. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing. Plus, it hooks up contractors with real people who need work done, making the whole process way smoother on both ends.